Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Sweet, amazing, baby. I know you want it, baby. It's sweet and I'm giving you any hardcore. Till you say no more.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki, and today is a face chart Friday. Today's face chart is another Judas Tape face chart. I was sent this one as soon as I did her other one. Somebody sent me this one. I'm trying to turn the brightness down on my phone because I don't want to blind anybody. Oh, that's too dark. But you know, that one was liked, so I guess we're gonna be doing this baby right here. I'm going to be using the Makeup Shack Rainforest palette, which is right here, as well as, this is just for mirror effect, as well as my xoxo BH Cosmetics palette. From, well, let me set this down and then, you know, we can, oh, I need to figure out why this won't stay. Because I have a little stand on the back and it's supposed to, you know, but for some reason these days it won't stay. Maybe it's broken. I'm only going to use 2 shades out of here. The first one I'm going to use, block this mirror, it's called Clarity. That's this one right here. I'm going to put that all over my lid and definitely under my brow bone. And then the other shade I'm going to use is my favorite shade out of this entire palette, and it's called Baby Girl. This pink right here. And then the Makeup Shack palette, they have no names, but I'm going to go into this pink shade and this blue shade right here, and this purple shade here, and this green shade here, and this orange shade here. So yeah, that's a lot. And a little bit of the black that's in there because, you know, the outer corner. Smoke it out a little bit. Enough talking. Let's get started. I don't know why my neighbors always decide to do yard work when I'm filming, but that's what that is in the background. Now I'm going to go into the Makeup Shack. The pink that's in there, and the rest of the other colors I'm done with the xoxo palette, so now it's just going to be the Makeup Shack. And the first color I'm going to be using is that pink shade. Sorry, the powder got in my eye and that was just not cool. Like, it didn't burn, but like it felt weird, and that's because my lenses didn't appreciate that. So this is a really pretty pink. Very pretty. I mean, I've used it before, but not this much. I usually use Pinkity Drinkity from the James Charles palette. I'm going to go and do concealer, liner, lashes, all that good stuff, and then I'll come back and do lower lash line and inner corner, blah 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 blah. And we're back. I haven't put my mascara on yet, but I did redo my individual lashes. I'm gonna do my dots now. I think I'll use a little bit of the ColourPop. Is this the right one? Numero uno, it is. Use a little bit of this. This is a weird commercial. I didn't even know, you know, eHarmony was still a thing, but there was just a commercial for it. I didn't think people still used eHarmony. I think I'm gonna not use this, and I'll just continue to use this Volve Cosmetics pen liner because the the tip of that ColourPop one, I don't know, it's not working for me. And now I know in this particular chart there is no wing, but I'm making one because that's what I do, and I ruined it there, but it's okay, I gotta fix it anyway. This is why I don't do liner on camera, because this is always the longest part, minus brows. Liner takes me a while. That wasn't supposed to go that far. I'll fix it. We'd have to fix them both anyway. I'm just gonna fix all the messed up parts with concealer. I do need to go into the pink though and fix where I got a little bit of the liner. That'll work for me. And then I will go off camera and fix the liner. But for right now, it is time to focus on the lower lash line. So I'm going to need this one and this one. I should have 4 of them. I mean, brushes that all look the same. I should have 4. 3. There needs to be 1 more. Thought I had 4. Guess I'll have to use a different one. I use this one. But because it's 4 colors, orange, green, blue, purple, yeah. Just cleaning off the tips. Only 2 of them I used already for this look. The other 2, I just added them to the bunch. I don't know why. So first things first, I'm going to take that orange. Actually, the orange shade can be put onto this one. I'm going to take the orange shade in the Makeup Shack palette. And what I'm going to do is wet the brush first so it picks up the color better. I'm going to just dip into it. The light orange shade, by the way. This one. I was going to do both of them, but I decided to just stick with this. And it's actually showing up really well. Then again, I recall one of the people I follow on Twitter saying, if you wet the colors, they show up better. I'm not saying that's for every palette. I meant for this particular palette. And now the other eye. And I like to coat both sides of my brush so I don't have to keep dipping. So then that way when you use all the color off one side, you just flip it over. I'm sure I'm not the only one that does that. I'm just saying. And then I'm going to take some of that yellow on the same brush and kind of blend the 2 together so it goes smoothly into the green. Clean off the tip of the brush and put it back. And then the green, I'm gonna actually combine that bright green with the green in here, Mobamba, which is this one right here, because that one's, actually no, Act Natural, because that's not as dark. So I'm going to combine those two, the green from the Makeup Shack, which is this one, and the Act Natural. So that's what it looks like. One more time for the other side. Clean off the brush, because I have makeup wipes, a couple of them on the desk. And then for the blue, I'm just going to take that shimmery blue in the Makeup Shack palette in the bottom row, the fourth one in the bottom row. It looks like that. Clean that off. And then the purple from the Makeup Shack. I'm going to use both purples in the 4th row. Colors 1, 2, 3, 4. Colors 5 and 6. I'm going to mix those two purples together. One is like a pinky purple and one is just the purple. Mixing them together. I'm going to take this brush and some of the pink oh, I guess I don't have to fix the liner. The pink fixed it for me. It's actually really pretty. I just wanted to try to see if it worked. And it did. My hair is wet. And it's making my back cold. Because I washed my hair before I filmed this. Well, before filming this, I washed my hair. Nice. Then I'm going to take the Decadence palette because obviously I need a shimmer shade for the inner corner. So I'm going to take the Decadence palette, oi! And my favorite inner corner brush, which is this one. And I'm going to take Wet That first because he said it works better when you wet the brush. And I agree. And take the shade, my favorite shade, Tipsy at Noon. And just pop that in my inner corner. Again, I like to do both sides of the brush. And I am going to add some of the Luminous Glow Powder from Funkhouser as well to my inner corners. Because it's so pretty. Okay, that's one little tidbit. Then I'm going to take this. This is the Luminous Powder in the shade Love Glow. And I'm going to take a little bit of that. I'm just taking Tipsy at Noon and putting it on top of the glow powder. Alright, pretty sure I got some of that in my eye. Onto the lips. Now the lips is real simple. It's only 2 products. Duke's ColourPop and Bourbon Rock collaboration from the Lit Lip Bundle. And then this I'm Nude from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Again, if you don't like, I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna be using it. So yeah. And aside from looking like a wet poodle, this is the finished look. My hair is still clearly wet. I'm still gonna take these pictures, I don't care. But yeah, I actually like this. And it's colorful, and I like it. And it's got orange in it, and you can see the orange. So I can't wait to take these pictures because the Samsung Galaxy takes them better than the iPhone. Sorry, not sorry. But yeah, I can't stop looking at myself right now. Conceited. I'm not even. But yeah, that was loud. That is it for this week's Face Chart Friday. Thank you. You're gonna see this look again because I have to film something else. I filmed this before that, and that video is gonna be uploaded Thursday instead of Friday. This one's going up Friday. I'm pre-filming. So yeah, today's Wednesday, and I'm filming this and a video for tomorrow, today, because Friday I got a date all day long, so I got plans for the entire day, so I won't have time to film this. So I'm doing it now. Anyway, that's it. That's all. You will see this Friday, but you will see this look again on Thursday. Yada, yada, yada. Enough of that. Bye.